everyone, thanks for joining me again. I was showing you how we do the corn and how it's harvested right in Kenya. Look at that. This is how it is done. It's all um, they portion this in small parts and put it together, remove it from the plant itself, this plant, and this is where it dries off. And right here is where the corn grows. Right there. I'm sorry. So this is our harvest. Have a look at this. All this. These are the harvest we had today. They're still trying to put them together from all over this place. From that side, from this side, from that side, and like all this place. It's really big. That's the corn. This is what you see, and this is where the flour comes from. So you can imagine all this is right here inside. Yeah, I hope you just had a rough idea of what or how corn is grown up, how it's done. And yes, so when you go to the market and buy that flour, just know there is a lot of hard work behind that. Look at this, and all this is done manually. This is not just work using tractors or whatever. It's all man work and really hard. Look at that woman behind carrying that sack. It's really difficult and really hard. Okay, thanks for joining me.